Pour the butter in. Okay, so now we're gonna be filming a video. And now we are gonna make a little tiny eggs for two of us. We're sisters.
Okay, so put some of the butter. No, with the spoon. No, with that one. No.
Right here. This
What are
one?
you doing?
This
Here,
one?
scoop it.
This one, right? Bella first and then
And
me?
put it in like this.
My turn.
And Sophie, put that one.
Bella, taste the butter. It's good. Can I taste the butter? Yeah. Okay, can't get all of it. I want to put it in there. So let me put it. Oh my gosh.
So butter's melting.
Yep. Wait, why is there water in there? Give it. Okay. So now I'm going to be mixing the egg. Why did that look weird? Ew. I put the salt in it too, because Bella's mixing it too.
Looks like orange juice.
Looks white.
Okay, so go ahead and pour the egg into the
Can I
pan.
pour it in? Because whoa. I don't know if this is so I'll just. And then whoa. It's under. And then I put the salt in.
Yes.
Can we have a napkin then? Oh my gosh.
Okay, now Bella's gonna pour the salt.
Here you go. Tap. Can we have a little more salt there? Can we have a little more salt in there? Wait, why is there nothing on all of the pans that now there's no more?
So now the egg is gotta cook.
Yep. And then I mix it. Like that? She makes it and then I mix it. And then, yeah, that's my spoon. We have a little sparkle everywhere. Spread it all. Wait, Daddy, I forgot to tell you, I have makeup on me.
I can see it.
I have makeup on me, but I just Nellie told me to wash my face and now I don't have no more makeup. I have makeup. I didn't. You did.
Because Vassar.
So then I mix it then? Now give me the spoon. No, you can use the other spoon. I don't want to use this.
So how's the egg coming?
Good.
You almost done?
Yeah.
Is it cooked in the bottom? Let me see. Scoop some of the bottom. Yeah, so it's starting to cook a little bit.
So do we mix it a lot?
No, just wait.
Sophia, I want to help you mix it. Let my baby do it.
Okay, we'll check in 1 minute.
Okay. Hey, get out.
Whoa, look, the egg's starting to cook, guys.
Okay, we're done cooking it. But we still have to wait.
Yeah, hang on. Okay, I
Because
gotta
it
help
has a
you
little
guys.
juice in it. But
I
it's
gotta
not.
help you guys mix this one because it's getting too hot for you guys. Susie?
I got my plate. Hey. Hey, I need a plate. That's my plate. I don't want to use this. You're not using that. Good, really. Are you mixing the egg? It's chubby. Looks like chubby, Daddy. Chubby. Hey, chubby. Okay, we're
It's almost
done.
there.
Yep. Okay, we're done. We just makes it. Our dad just makes it for us because we're doing it ourselves for now. And right now we're just gonna wait for a little bit to cook a little bit.
Okay, so now I'm gonna pour the eggs into the 2 plates using this spatula.
You can use this. I wanna do it. I wanna
Careful,
do it.
guys.
I wanna do it.
No bacon.
Because we can't make bacon right there.
We gotta split it into 2 plates. Where's your
Where's
plate?
the other plate?
One, two.
How is it?
Good. It's kind of chunky, but it's still good. It's so good. Everybody next to me, Dad. Everybody, you're next to me too. All of us. It tastes like the real eggs when our mom and dad cooks them.
But mini.
But min. Thank you guys. Make sure to get a like and subscribe. Give us a big thumbs up. If you want to watch our videos, then like the bell. Give a thumbs up. Click the bell. Like and click the bell.